How long does ceramic tint last? Ceramic films are known to have high heat rejecting properties. When it comes to lifespan, it will last the same amount of time as any other quality film. And it will last a very long time if it has a lifetime warranty. Now the difference would be to compare it to a film that you could get from a big box store or more of a DIY film, which tend to only last 1 to 2 years. It all comes down to the warranty that a high quality manufacturer will give when you purchase that tint. Lower quality films don't have that. Now there are many options to choose from, so do your research. To maximize the lifespan of your tint, have it installed by a professional and do regular cleaning using ammonia-free products. Ceramic tint is still a thin piece of film that can be damaged. Now it will still function, it just might not look that good, so you'll have to get it replaced. But overall, ceramic tint is definitely worth considering for its top-notch heat rejection and clarity while driving. How long it lasts depends on how well you treat it and if the manufacturer backs up its lifetime warranty claim. This is Dane from Ceramic Pro. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.